doubt, limb, thumb, lamb, comb, tomb, bomb, debt, scent, scenery, scene, beckon, science, knowledge, Wednesday, fridge, handsome, budget, ridge, sandwich, edge, foreign, sign, rain, hour, honesty, honorable, honor, honest, kneel, knitting, knowledge, need, knife, knock, knack, know, not, knee, palm, half, should, chalk, fork, calf, could, walk, qualm, talk, column, dam, autumn, solemn, psyche, psychology, pneumonia, psychiatry, isle, island, depot, hasten, catch up, catch, batch, bouquet, listen, snatch, match, debut, castle, guest, guitar, guard, guess, ring, wristlet, wrist, wrapper, wrestle, wrong, writhe, wrath, wreck, right, rest, answer, sword, writ, wriggle, wrinkle, freight, height, through, thigh, sigh, high, fright,